Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review of this floor mop from MR.SIGA. I actually owned another one of these, but it's getting so old that I had to buy a new one. I love this brand. Like I said, I have an old one, so that's why I decided to get a new kit. And in this kit, when you buy, you will get a mop head. You get the one, which is this one that extends right here. It gets pretty long, and you're also going to get 3 reusable mop pads, and this little guy right here, which I thought was going to be useless. This is the dirt scrubber. I thought it was gonna be useless when I bought the first kit, but I actually used this a few times, so it came in handy for, you know, a few things, for like scrubbing stuff that gets stuck. So yeah, I actually like this a lot. One thing I really like, well, actually 2 things I like about this mop is the fact that the pads, they are made of microfiber, and our floors are marble. So when you're mopping marble, you have to be careful with the type of fabric that you use. So these are actually so soft. I never had any problems using these on my marble floors. So that's one of the things I like about it. The second thing is how easy it is to remove these pads and wash them. It's so easy. It barely takes you any effort to remove this, you know, so you can like wash it, put it back on, then you just, you know, put these down and you're ready to go. And I kind of like how big this is. Like I said in the beginning, this will cover a big area of your floor. So if you have a big house, you know, and if you have to mop big areas, this would be ideal. Another thing I'd like to mention, so this pad right here comes with 2 sides. So one side, which is the microfiber, and the other one, which is for waxing. I don't use this side because we don't need it on the marble floors. The microfiber is the only side that I use, but you know, it's kind of cool that you can have those 2 options. Another thing I'd like to mention about this mop, it's very flexible. You can go around corners very easily with this. So yeah, it has a little bit of weight, which is nice when you're mopping. You know, I feel like those really light floor mops don't clean as much, so you gotta put the pressure. But this one has a decent weight, which will help you cleaning the floors. But yeah, overall I think this is a great floor mop. It doesn't matter if you're using it dry or wet, it's going to work both ways, and having these reusable pads is very convenient.